Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we will explore the dumb questions that trick your brain. Basically, these questions are questions so annoying in wording that they confuse you to get the wrong answer. And it's actually incredibly frustrating. So one example I'm gonna give you here is from the American Mathematics Olympiad 2016 Secondary 2 or Grade 8. And that question is question 11. Right, so the question states, let me just read it. Someone is called Yevgeny, was born on August 24th in some year. On August 25th, 2015, he was in the 6th year of his 7th decade of life. What is the sum of the digits of his year of birth? So now let's analyze. So right now, or not right now, but in this question, it's the 6th year, and so 6th year and 7th decade. Now it is incredibly, and that is what probably will happen most of the time, tempting to say 76 years old. 2015 minus 76 is equal to 1939, and you put your answer. But no, because this is the annoying bit, right? That's what's considered. So let's consider the decades. Do you know about centuries and how in history we talk about the first century or the 0th century? Well, there's no 0th century because the first century means from the year 0 AD to 100 AD, which is annoying to think about. And now we can proceed here. This is the first decade. This is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth, this is the 6th, and therefore this is the 7th. So that means we are between 6 and 7, which is also the viral quote, kind of. 6, 7, but anyway, the big idea is that it's between 60 and 70, right? So it's somewhere in the middle here. So it's not actually 70-something years old. It's actually 60-something years old. Same idea for the year. Let's write out the years. Sorry about my messy writing, but I shall change that here. We're between first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, 6th year. So we're between here. And since it's one day after his birthday, not counting the year, he is indeed not 76 but 65 years old. So you do 2015 minus 65 to get yourself 1950, and you sum to get an answer of 15. And this is like incredibly annoying. And let's move on another one. By the way, I recommend you to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share these so no one falls for these questions anymore. Now the other annoying question is, although this is maybe slightly less annoying, but it's still tricky, is how many of the first 10,000 positive integers contain the digit pair 43 in that order? Some people, I won't actually answer the question. Some people think, maybe I will actually, I'll answer this question because it's actually an interesting one. This question basically says that you have the first 10,000 positive integers, but it's the first 10,000 positive integers. Like, it is tempting to think 5-digit integers, or maybe like until 99, 90, like that, from 1 to here. It's just very annoying to word, right? Maybe slightly less annoying than the first one. But this one, let's work it out. So there could be 43, right? There could be 43x. There could be x43. There could be 43xx. There could be x43x. There could be xx43. There also could be... That's it, right? Because it's only 4 digits, which is annoying to think about. Because first 10,000 is like 5 digits, right? But now we just have to find. So this one has 1 solution, of course. This one has 10 solutions. This one has 9 solutions. This one has 9 times 10. This one has 9. Oh, wait, no. This one has 100, sorry. So 100 solutions. This one's 90, 9 times 10. This one's also 9 times 10. Like that. So now we just have to think about adding them together. So we have this is 20. This is 280. So you get 300. But, right, there is always a big but. You need to check your answers. Let me erase all of this. So, you have 300, but there are repeats existent in the world. So let's reanalyze, right? This is always a good process of reanalyzation. Basically, right, these two have repeats. How many repeats? Well, let's think about it. Right, because you could have 43, right? But that's included in this one, so you have to minus 1. So the answer is 299. And that is indeed our big answer. And I hope you guys subscribed. Please do, and I will actually see you in the next video. Bye.